I actually think it's like kind of cute.
I don't. Okay.
I'm gonna get it in a lot of trouble.
Listen.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Erin.
And today we're gonna be filming the What's in Our Closet series. I got this in Florida. I think it's so cute.
It's really cute.
Right?
It's very Sharpay Evans from High School Musical, but in
God.
the best
But in
way
a good way?
possible. In the best way possible.
But I'm going to Nashville, right? So this with jean shorts or jean skirt and like white cowboy boots or something.
That would be perfect for Nashville.
You need a pink cowboy hat with it.
Yes.
Or like white.
I definitely need a pink cowboy hat or white.
Sharpay Evans takes on Nashville.
Yes.
There you go. So for my most outrageous item, we have this green dress. Some of you might recognize it. I wore it in Mexico. This dress is from a brand called House of Sunny. They're based in the UK. And I remember seeing this dress on Kendall Jenner. She posted a picture in it and I was like, oh my God,
I love it.
She looks so good in it. Like, I'm never gonna wear that dress, but like, I really want it. So, me being not smart, I bought it from the website and it was in pounds sterling, obviously. So that's 98 pounds sterling, which translates to about $200 Canadian. And then when I got it in Canada, I had to pay over $100 in duties for it.
Great.
So that's why it's outrageous, not only because of the look of it, but also the price and how I had to get this. And I've only worn it twice. That's it.
Yeah. I feel like you can wear this though.
Yeah, like on vacation.
It's definitely wearable.
In the summer.
Like even just in the summer with like sneakers or something.
Yeah. I paired it with white sandals whenever I've worn it.
Yeah. I love it. And I love the back.
Yeah, the back is like
The back is very cute.
Some cutouts here.
Yeah.
This is also why it's a little outrageous because like I didn't know how to wear it for the longest time. So
yeah, like what bra? Like I guess you can't wear.
I had to get like the sticky bras.
The stickies, yeah, at the front. Yeah.
The sticky bras, and let me tell you, I don't like those things, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
So, but yeah, that's the most outrageous item.
My most impractical item is this top that I love so much. I wore this to my 27th birthday. I had like a disco theme and I thought it was the cutest top ever, and I have nowhere to wear it again.
I love that top, it's so cute.
Yeah, I would say it's impractical because I don't know what to wear under, and I want an opportunity to wear it again.
It's giving me like Harry Styles or like Elton John vibes.
Yes.
That'd be really cool to like one of their concerts.
Yeah, so if anyone ever has a concert, maybe I can wear it there.
Impractical item. These giant stompers over here, these like Bratz looking shoes. These are from Ardene or Ardennes, I'm not sure how everyone likes to say it. And they're only like 30 bucks, but they're like almost 6 inches and I'm already like 5'8", so these kind of make me like a skyscraper. But they're a little impractical only because of like the color and like the height of it. Like I'm not gonna wear these every day or like to work.
Yeah.
But like they're fun and they're cute.
But they look really expensive.
They do, right?
I feel like they look expensive. Like definitely don't look like they're from Ardennes.
No, they don't at all, which is actually really cool.
Yeah,
but
very cute.
Impractical but fun.
Yeah. So I have 2 outdated items. My first one is this.
Not the suede skirt.
Yeah, this suede skirt. I've actually never worn this, okay?
Really?
Yeah, so I got this a long time ago. It's from Abercrombie, but I never wore it. I don't know if it was the color, I don't know. But then I also can't get rid of it because I'm like, I've never worn it. Maybe it's gonna come back. Maybe I can wear it with something loose because it's tight. Maybe I can style it differently. I don't know. So this one, and then I had to bring the plaid jacket.
Oh, not the plaid.
I had to. And I can't get rid of it either.
Have you not worn it?
I've worn this many times.
Okay.
And I actually think it's like kind of cute.
I don't, okay.
I'm gonna get it in a lot of trouble.
Listen,
yeah.
We might get in a lot of trouble for saying this. I don't think it's the most horrible thing.
Right?
Ever. Maybe going to like a pumpkin patch or something in the fall and you want like,
right, like you can wear it to like specific
It's very
things.
Very specific.
Yeah.
Don't kill us, please don't kill us.
Right. We're going back on our word.
I promise.
I thought it was cute because like everybody had like the blues or like red, right? And then I saw this one with the pink. This is from Zara. So I'm not getting rid of it yet. I'm not wearing it though. So
yeah, there we go. She's not wearing it, but she's just not getting rid of it.
But I'm just not getting rid of it.
So then for my most outdated item, we have this mesh dress. This was my grade 11 semi-formal dress. So this was about 9 years ago. Yeah, almost 9 years ago I would have worn this. And this was from Misguided. I'm not sure if anyone's heard of that website. And then this influencer named Charly came out with this collection with them.
Gosh.
And I was obsessed with her, and I needed this dress for semi-formal. So I even got it like tailored to me and everything. But like, can you imagine wearing this now?
What's up with the skin?
Listen,
I know,
the mesh
right?
is
like,
back.
But like,
so.
but with these cutouts and everything, like.
Yeah. This was a moment.
This was a moment. And you know what the bad part was? Everyone hyped me up for this dress. Like, I need to borrow that dress. So I thought I was awesome with this.
Yeah, it was the coolest dress.
I have the best dress ever. Like, everyone wants this. Now I haven't touched this in years. So.
Yeah.
Shred it.
Shred it.
Shred it.
Shred it.
So my most expensive item are these beautiful babies.
I like those a lot. They look really
love
good with your
them.
outfit today, actually.
I know, and I love them so much that I have trouble wearing them because I don't want to dirty them and I don't want to crease them. The reason that they were really expensive is because I'm not smart and I thought that they were cheap in Florida when I saw the price tag on them, and then I can't do math. So when you convert the price from US to Canadian, I saw my bank statement and they were close to $500, which is why I have trouble actually wearing them. Worth the price, for sure.
As long as it's worth it, there you go.
Yeah.
Because mine, I don't know if it's worth it so much. My most expensive item is my prom dress that I still have in my closet. I think I got this dress for about $450, which is actually, you know, okay, pretty, not cheap, but pretty reasonable for a prom dress. But then with alterations and stuff, I think it came out to like $530. But it's really pretty, you know, it has like a really nice
look at
train
look at that.
Right,
Look at this.
Train.
Wow.
I felt like a
Did your
little
date like
princess.
hold this as you were like?
I can't remember now, I think
It's like
so.
a wedding.
I know, like a wedding. But it was really cute, and I liked it because it's like a classic piece. Like it's not really like
Yeah, it's not
that
too,
outdated looking at it. But I've only worn it once, so it's been kind of a waste of money, but I looked good in it for prom, so it was worth it.
So on the weekends at home, I'll either wear like a matching sweatsuit, or I just got this really pretty set, and like I still want to feel cute when I'm like chilling with no makeup on and just like have my hair in a bun, drinking coffee, reading books. So reading books as if I read a lot of books. So I'll wear something like this that's like matchy-matchy.
That's so cute.
Super cute. I love it because it has this matching top, and you can wear this with other things like with jeans or like trousers or something. And I always get the sweaters really big so that I can just zip them up and be comfy cozy, but definitely a matching set for the weekend.
I agree. Mine is kind of similar, but not as nice as Amanda's. Mine is your classic Aritzia sweatsuit. When I'm telling you, I live in this thing. I live in this thing. I don't, like, everyone knows me just to wear this constantly. I think these are the Mega sweatpants.
Yeah.
And then this is the Perfect hoodie, and they're both in Heather Cloud white. And I love them. Love them, love them, love them. I just want to be cozy on the weekend.
And this is really, really warm.
Oh yeah, really warm.
Like you could wear this out right now and be good.
Yeah.
The item that my partner doesn't know the price of is obviously this Gucci bag.
The colors of Gucci, like they're very iconic. So yeah,
They
show
are.
them off, you know?
They are. But I feel like a little bit too much when I have this strap.
I like it.
But when I have the other strap, I'm like, okay.
But then this bag has to speak for the outfit. Like even if you have like jeans, white top and a black blazer, then bam.
And then this is your like, your pop.
Your pop.
But I've never told my partner the price of this.
I would never tell them either.
Yeah.
So you have to treat yourself.
Yeah.
The item that my partner doesn't know the price of is also Gucci, and they are my Gucci tights. You can't really see here through the camera, but the Gucci logo shows like that. I don't care if I say the price. If he finds out, it's okay now. But they were like
he's gonna find
around
out.
$200, which when you say $200, it doesn't sound like a lot. But for tights, like no one's paying $200 for tights. You go to Walmart, you spend like
who knows?
$12 on pair of tights, but I will say I have worn these a good amount of times, so I'm not ashamed that I have these.
Yeah. And they had a big moment.
They had a big
like
moment.
Everyone had those tights.
Big moment.
So.
These are sold out everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't even know where you can get these anymore, but
yeah, I don't know if Gucci actually sells them anymore. Yeah.
Okay, and that was what is in our closet. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We have new videos that come out every Thursday, and make sure to follow us on all of our socials. And we'll make sure to see you guys next Thursday. All right, bye.
Bye.
Woohoo! There we go, baby.
Do we throw something on now?
Yeah, what should the thumbnail be now?
Thumbnail. Put on your website.
I have to put it. We should put it on.
You want to just put your heels on.
Okay, I'll put my heels on.
Oh, don't put on the skin dress. I'm scared of it.
The what?
The skin.
Oh my God, Grace. Hi guys. Sorry. Whoops. I'm just gonna be like shimmying.
Shimmying on the
Shimmying? Did I say, how do you say it? Shimmying?
Shimmying?
I said shimming.
Shimmying.
Okay, so the item, what is it? The
item that your partner doesn't know the price of.
The item that.
You can start over.
Okay. What?
Christ, don't like.
That's so funny.
Move back. Back more.
I can't. These are my stompers.
Oh, I love those. They're so fucking cool.
It's like a Bratz doll.
Yes.
Not the feet. Not the feet in the video.
Not the feet.
Thank you. No problem. This looks insane.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm so